Hello, everyone. My name is Deyaniris Mercado Cáceres, and today I'm going to talk about English phonetics. I will show you some important sounds eh, as a consonant, vowels, and diphthongs with example. Let's start. These are some English consonant sounds. This sound is z as a word thing. E as a word this. B as a word berry. S as a word sheep. Z as a word television. Z as a word church. J as a word use. And as a word sin. H as a word hat. Now let's look at our song. E as a word see. E as a word sit. E as a word pen. A as a word cat. A as a word car. O as a word door. U as a word book. U as a word blue. U as a word cup. Cup. Up as a word cup. As a word beer. O as a word about. Finally, let's practice diphthong. A as a word name. I as a word time. O as a word boy. Ow as a word house. O as a word goat. E as a word ear. A as a word hair. O as a word tour. To finish, let's say a fun tongue twister. How much wood was a woodchuck chuck? Is a woodchuck could chuck wood? He would chuck us much wood as a woodchuck with a woodchuck could chuck wood. Thank you. Thank you watching my presentation. I hope you enjoyed it and learn more about English songs. See you next time. Bye bye.